This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Caravan key fob. First, collect all key fobs you wish to program, both old and new. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll need access to the ignition and the door lock controls for this procedure. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. To begin, insert an already programmed key into your ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then immediately back to off. This needs to be done within 1 second. Repeat this on and off sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. This action prepares your vehicle system to accept new key fob programming. After the 3 on and off cycles, quickly remove the existing key. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on the new key fob you wish to program. The vehicle's door locks will cycle, indicating that the programming was successful. Now, test all buttons on your new key fob to confirm everything works correctly. If your key fob doesn't program on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire sequence from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing. It's crucial to program all your key fobs, both old and new, in one continuous session. This ensures they all remain synchronized with your vehicle. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.